paper but made by Zach. Hui! Ah!
Na-appreciate ko lahat.
Good flight. Good flight, bro. But how to make one? First, fold the paper into the middle like this, and fold it like this to create wings and create a point. Now, flip it and fold the pointy part on the towards you. Fold it like this. And fold it like this to create a space to hold. And now bend it like this and just I can't believe I confirm.